Where are you folks from?
Atlanta.
Ah, Braves fan, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You know where the Braves are from, right?
Yes.
Where's that?
Boston.
Ah, he knows.
I did not know that.
Now,
Yeah, then they went to Milwaukee, I think, and
now, do you know what they were called when they were first formed?
the Beans or something like that.
At one time, they were called the Bean Eaters,
Yeah, that's what it was.
yeah, but that wasn't their first name.
What was it?
The Red Stockings.
Oh, interesting. Whoa, look at that. They did twirls together.
My father used to go watch them play when he was a kid. Okay, look at me, princess. Okay.